The West Indies must now win the third and final T20 against Sri Lanka to get only their second T20 series win in their last 8 tries when they face off in the third and deciding match at the Coolidge Cricket Ground in Antigua on Sunday. Jordan Fort reports.
The West Indies didn't start the second T20 like they did the first, as the visitors got off to a flyer, batting first at Coolidge. Openers Danishka Gunathilaka and Pathum Nissanka found the boundary with regularity, making the most of the power play overs. Gunathilaka also got a reprieve when the usually reliable Karen Pollard dropped him on 28. He pushed on to 56 off 42 before a risky single brought his undoing. Dwayne Bravo with some good fielding work off his own bowling. That was a catalyst for the Windies, as 3 balls later Bravo removed Nissanka for 37. Sri Lanka then lost their next 5 wickets for 34 runs. Ashen Bandara with a 19-ball 21 and Wanindu Hasaranga an unbeaten 19 off 11 then guided the visitors to 160 for 6 of their 20 overs. Bravo ended the pick of the Windies bowlers with an economical 2 for 25, with 2 wickets shared between Jason Holder and Obed McCoy. It wasn't to be the 6-hitting showcase in the Windies chase as it was in the first T20. Evan Lewis hit a 4 and then was bowled shortly after. Chris Gayle got off the mark this time, but after a couple of 4s and 1 big 6, he was gone for 16. Lendl Simmons followed him back 5 deliveries later for 25. And from then on, the Windies dressing room became a high-traffic area, with batsmen coming and going with regularity. Captain Pollard and Fabian Allen both went long.
There he goes. Again wide. And it goes all the way.
But Allen was dismissed, trying to repeat the effort. And Pollard was quickly made to forget about his 6 sixes in the opening match, as he was dismissed for 13. That was virtually the end of the Windies challenge, despite a late flurry from Obed McCoy, who made 23 from 7.
You know, if you told us we were going to bowl them out for 160 today, we'd have taken that. I just thought that, we didn't, assess the situation, pretty quickly. And we had a couple of soft dismissals. So, at the end of the day, these things happen in cricket. So, we see what happens. We're still into the series.
The series decider on Sunday also bowls off at 5 p.m. at Coolidge. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.